the number of solutions for the equation sine inverse of absolute value of x being equated to absolute value of cos inverse of x r. So as a shorter version, this is how you should be able to think. First is you need to be able to picture this graph. And since sine inverse of x has no negative value, you need to eliminate this particular section from your head. So you should know that the point of intersection of sine inverse of x and cos inverse of x is only this point. And that point is 1 by root 2. Okay. So at x is equal to 1 by root 2, that's only when these two will be equal. So straight up, the answer is 1. You guys should be able to verify that in your head. Okay, if I put 1 by root 2 over here and 1 by root 2 over here, the answer will lead to pi by 4. And as you can see, that's the answer over here, pi by 4. Let me try to zoom in. I think it will not help. Yeah, it won't help. Okay, so this is a simple straightforward. Either you know it or don't know it. So let me explain the answer, the lengthy version. Okay, let's actually device is moved a bit. First thing is, let's talk about sine of x, it being equal to cos of x. So pause and think over, when are these two equal? Sine of x will be equal to cos of x. Where are they equal? There are two places. First is which quadrant? Can you think? Yes, first is the first quadrant and the angle should be 45 degree. Can you see that? Cos and sine has the same value. Please pause and observe. Where is the second place? Is it second quadrant, third or fourth? Yes, it is the third quadrant. And here too it is pi plus pi by 4. So somewhere here. This is where both sine and cos are having equal values. One is plus root 1 by root 2 and another is minus 1 by root. Right? That's where they are equal. So plus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2 in a unit circle. Of course, we know that just a second, let me show it just to you guys. Yeah. So we know that the sine inverse lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and cos inverse, the output lies between 0 to pi. That's the principal place that they lie in. So the only place that matches is pi by 4. Okay, so that fact also has to be known. So sine inverse of x range is between, this is the next fact that you need to know, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And cos inverse of x, the range lies between 0 to pi. So the only place these two matches is clearly pi by 4. Right, pi by 4. Okay, yes. This is a question, either you know all of these details or don't know. So if not, please don't take a risk of answering this question. And modulus, it's not going to play a role because it's all positive value. So I'm not even bothering looking at the answer. Everything is in first quadrant and scenario. So I'm not talking about the absolute value. I'm ignoring that altogether.